Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage with Jonathan. We have a 2019 Hyundai here that the client had a concern about a pinging noise while she was driving. So we got it in and did the inspection on it and some testing, found that she had some excessive carbon buildup in the throttle body. So Jonathan, after looking at it, suggested two things. Number one, doing a decarbonization to the fuel system, along with replacing the spark plugs. So we have the spark plugs out.
Can you get a?
So that way you can see them.
Can you see?
And one of the things that I was talking to Jonathan about is this ring that goes around the ceramic part of the spark plug.
Yeah, right around here.
Why does that happen, Jonathan?
That's your combustion gases leaking through the back side of the spark plug, basically. So they just wear out over time, just like anything would, basically.
Kind of an average time frame to replace would be, I would say, anywhere from 30 to 60,000 miles.
Sure, we have 46,000 on this one. Yeah.
The other thing is I want to show you this is what it looks like
there, compared to a brand new one.
Compared to
nice clean one.
Yes. The other thing that I noticed on this one is it has a lot of carbon buildup on the electrode.
Sure, and that's from inside the combustion chamber, basically. Like Stacey was talking about, as a little bit of pinging. Sometimes the carbon will break off as the engine's running inside the combustion chamber, basically, and it can ignite your fuel and air mixture inside the cylinder at the wrong time. So imagine those little pieces, they're like little hot embers in there, and as your piston's, on its compression stroke, instead of it lighting from the spark plug, like exactly when it's supposed to, it can light before. So you're gonna get kind of couple detonations inside there. So under hard acceleration, you could kind of hear it pinging a little bit.
Okay.
So our FI service is going to help break down that carbon inside the cylinder and get that stuff cycled out.
The fuel injection
Our
service.
FI service, correct.
Right.
Yeah, and putting new plugs in there.
So if you're experiencing any performance issues with your vehicle, give us a call at 831-899-2425 or schedule your reservation online at waysidegarage.com. Also, don't forget, for more tech tips, like and subscribe to our channel.